guys, Rainbow Catty here. Today, I'm here at Kitty in the Box. So, yeah, this is my kitty. No, let's just this one, vanilla, yeah. The point of the game is you should do that. Don't slide off. No. Final restart. So shout out to Rainbow Cat. She's the one who requested me to play this game. Now my cat just fall. What? That's not fair. That's not fair. At least, but I still wanted to get up. Yes, it didn't fall out. I don't know how that happened. No. Fine, I'll use. Just to proceed. That was for nothing, did it? It was for nothing. Bye. I suck at this. I don't know why. Another cat has been fallen. Fine. Eat. Good thing he didn't fall off. Don't mind my puppy. I love the way that it just bumps to the box. That's that box. What? No. Let's make. Yeah. I don't care about the box. I care about the cat. Yeah, get that box out. What? But the cat's head. No. And I'm not continuing. There. Yes. That's for it now, guys. So yeah. I hope you have a happy day, and don't forget, don't let the cat out of the bag. Bye for now.